Hello and welcome to today's video. I hope you are doing great. You might have heard of the word black money, commonly called as Kala Dhan in Hindi. Black money can be defined as assets or resources that have neither been reported to public authorities at the time of their generation nor disclosed at the time of during their possession. The black money economy is also called a parallel economy. In this video, we will discuss what black money is, how it's generated in India, difficulties in tracking it, the administrative mechanism present to trace and technologies for detection. Then we will end our discussion with the impact on Indian economy and some measures. National Institute of Public Finance and Policy, shortly called as NIPFP, in its report of 1985 defined black money as aggregates of the income which are taxable but are not reported to the tax authorities. As per NIPFP, the parallel economy can account for 75% of GDP. In addition to the wealth earned to the illegal means, the term black money would also include legal income that is concealed from the public authorities to evade payment of taxes. Black money is a cause of concern for Indian economy. It results in considerable losses of tax revenue to the government. Now let's see methods how black money is generated in India. Black money generation in India primarily takes place through two sources. The first source includes activities not permissible by the law, such as crime, drug trade, terrorism, and corruption. Second is through tax evasion. Tax evasion involves misreporting or the non-reporting of the transactions in the books of account. The manipulation of financial statements results in the generation of unaccounted income that amounts to black money. Financial statements can be manipulated through out-of-book transactions and manipulation of the books of account. In out-of-book transactions might have resulted in taxation of receipts or income are not entered in the book of account by a taxpayer. This method is likely source of generation of black money across real estate, hotels, consumer markets, retailers, betting, etc. In manipulation of book of account, suppression or inflation of the sales and effects of manipulation of expenditure, capital, etc. is done to evade taxes. About a third of India's black money transactions are believed to be in real estate, followed by manufacturing, purchase of jewelry, and consumer goods. Now we will discuss administrative mechanism available to trace black money in India. With increasing black money generation across the various sectors of economy, the government has set up administrative agencies to tackle its generation. The principal agencies being Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) and the Central Board of Excise and Customs (CBEC). The CBDT and IT department use tools of scrutiny, assessment, information based on the investigations for detecting the tax evasion. The investigation wing of IT department carries out surveys to collect evidence of the tax evasion. The department receives data on cash transactions in the bank account, registered immovable properties below the circle rate, and capital. Other regulatory agencies undertaking the supervision include the Directorate of Enforcement (ED), Financial Intelligence Unit (FIU), Economic Offences Wing of State Police, Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI), Serious Fraud and Investigation Office (SFIU), and Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB). In its effort to trace black money in economy, the IT department is gradually moving from regular search and survey operations to non-intuitive data mining methods through electronic databases and information available through the electronic portal of banking and other financial intermediaries. The department has also developed cyber forensic labs and various software tools for tracking black money. Laws have also been passed to curb this, like we have Black Money Act 2015, which provisions to deal with the problem of black money, that is undisclosed foreign income and assets, the procedure for dealing with such income and support, and to provide for the imposition of tax on any undisclosed foreign income and assets held outside India for matter connected to it. The bill also proposes to amend the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002 to include it the offence of tax evasion under the proposed legislation as a scheduled offence under PMLA. And there is also the Benami Transactions Amendment Act 2016, which came in effect on 1 November 2016. The amended law empowers the specified authorities to provisionally attach Benami properties, which can eventually be confiscated. Besides, if a person is found guilty, he shall be punishable. Now let's see what are the difficulties in tracking black money. As per white paper on black money, the lack of adequate data mining tools used by the government that can analyze possible cases of non-disclosure or tax evasion is another factor that impedes reporting illegal money. For instance, the government needs a robust database that contains information from all agencies and departments on the monetary transactions and wealth generation. Further, a large part of Indian economy is unorganized. It involves heavy use of cash transactions, which do not leave audit trails. Government is also in the process of enabling a digital economy as a step forward to curb black money. Now let's see the technologies that can be used to detect tax evasion and the black money. Segmentation of data and the reporting format, electronic bookkeeping, cross-seeding of the unique identifiers like PAN, Aadhaar, voter ID, which is already being done, bookkeeping of public projects through standard central IT system, dematerialization of land records and commercial, residential, and other properties, centralization documentation generation, and reporting of export and imports, including banking transactions. With all these technologies in place, government can detect black money easier. Now let's see the impact of black money on Indian economy. The flow of black money can seriously affect the entire economic system of India. We will discuss a few of them. Due to black money, Indian government fails to collect the estimated amount of tax. When black money is out in the market, the amount of money in the system is higher than usual, causing a rise in prices. The common people get affected indirectly in so many ways by black money. The tax evaders are keeping the money in the foreign countries. Suppose all the black money in the tax havens is recovered and used by the Indian government. In that case, all the outstanding liabilities of countries could be paid off. The money would still be left for spending and could help eradicate poverty. While corruption creates black money in the economy, it can also result from the growing of underground market. People with black money can bribe administrators and politicians to get whatever they want. Generally, people involved in the black money market are always ready to pay more for the piece of land, which helps convert them colored money to the legal money. The black money generated in India is kept in the foreign tax havens. The tax haven is a judiciary that offers foreign individuals and businesses little or no tax liabilities. The tax havens also provide little or no financial information to foreign tax authorities. Black money is also promoting anti-social activities in society, including activities like terrorism and organized crime. Now at last, let's see some measures that can be helpful. Tax regime should be simple and stable so that an honest taxpayer is avoided from their web. Tax administration officers should be imparted skills for practical actions and encouraged for the foreign study tours to learn more about international taxation. India can also resolve the issue of black money with compelling diplomatic talks with the major tax havens. People should be educated about the real object of collecting taxes through press, radio, TV, and film. Steps should be taken to convince taxpayers that money collected through taxes is spent wisely. Governments worldwide are taking steps to combat black money through stricter laws and enforcement and encouraging greater transparency in the financial transactions. Working together can help build a more fair and prosperous economy for all. That's all for this video. You can provide your feedback in the comment section. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you found this video helpful. See you next time. Nikhil Dhawan signing off.